The world has changed since I was a girl. People and places are more connected than ever. I remember the first time I saw our planet from way up there. I remember many firsts like it was yesterday. In 2090, the world celebrated as we avoided a global temperature rise of 1.5 degrees. In 2060, the world became carbon neutral. In 2040, I saw the last of the coal mines shut down. In 2030, our oceans came back to life as we protected the vast blue sea. And in 2016, we made history when we lent our voices to planet Earth to change climate change. Thank you for donating your social feed to Earth Hour to shine a light on climate action and making Earth, our planet, a better home for me and future generations.